Hello everyone, this is Codenack. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to create your first Windows form using Visual Studio, C++, and .NET Framework. The application I create is a currency converter to convert an amount of USD into LKR. So, first open Visual Studio on your computer. I am using 2K22 model. In here, you can see create a new project. Click it. In the search bar, type CLR. You can see different types of CLR templates. If you don't see CLR empty project .NET framework, click link down below. Install more tools and features. Desktop development with C++. And you should select C++ CLI support for version 143 build tools. You should install it. After you install it, you can see here CLR empty project .NET framework and select it and click next button. Now you can see the details of your project name, location, solution name, framework like that. If you like, you can change project name and location, but I don't change any details here, so I click create button. Now you can see our project is created, but it is empty. First we need to configure it. To configure it, in here you can see file, edit, view, git, project. You should select project. In the down, you can see properties. Select it. In here, you can see linker and expand it. You can see system. Select it. In the system, you can see subsystem and different types. And for the subsystem, console Windows like that. I select Windows for the subsystem. Next, in the advanced option, need to enter entry point. Entry point is main. And OK, apply, click OK button. Now we are all set, but I don't see property window here. So go to window, reset window layout. Yes. Next, click on view, property window. Now you can see property window appeared. Again, I need to go to the view and toolbox and pin it. Now select, go to the solution explorer and right click source files, add, select new item. The dialog box appeared. In this dialog box, you can see code formatting UI. I select UI. In the UI, window form and CLR user control here. Select Windows form and click add button. Now you can see the form. You can change the size of it. It doesn't matter. You can change anytime. In the toolbox, you can see controls, pointer, button, checkbox, picture box, text box, link, label, everything you need to make my form. You can see Everything you can see here in the solution explorer. Also in the properties tab, when you select it, you can see all the properties here. First I add a picture box. I'm creating a currency converter. In here you can see small triangle. Click it, choose image. I already downloaded a logo, but it is not in size. So change size, stretch image. Now you can see the logo here. The problem is when you change the form size, the picture doesn't change any sizes. So go to the properties. I think you can't see the property table here because of the camera. I put it here. When you scroll down here, you can see anchor. It is already selected top and left, and this uh, sides already selected, but I select right also. Now you can see the difference. When I change size of my form, the picture box also change the size. Next, I add the label. I add another label. First label is you can see the when you click on label 1, you can see the label 1 here, and these are all the properties for the label 1. You can change everything here. For the text, you can see label 1 here. I change it into USD. When you go up, you can see the font. You can change the font. Okay. Select bold and 16. I select size. Okay. Now you can see the text size and shape or everything changed. For label 2, when I click on it, you can see here label 2. These are the uh, properties for the label 2. I select size, bold and 16. Okay. When I go down, I can see the text, label, LKR, because I'm creating a currency converter USD to LKR. There are many settings you can change here. You can change the color also. You can say change size. Okay, I don't change any color sizes here. And again, I need to insert text box because user need to insert the USD amount. And again, I add the text box because when you insert the USD, you need to see the amount of LKR. Select text box 1 and You can see text box 1 appeared here. I don't insert any text here, but I need to change the font bold and size 16. Okay, and text box 2 also. You can see text box 2 here. I change the font style bold and size 16. Okay, the main thing is I need to add the button here. So I add the button here. You can see button 1. When I click on it, the properties, you can see button 1. I change font. I select 18 size and go down here. You can see text is button 1, but I change it to convert. Press enter. You can see it is changed. I select the big square, so this shows my form. I change color here. Okay, everything is good. So my interface is okay. The next thing I do is in the right hand, you can see here my form.cpp and double click on it. In here, you can see it appeared here design and my form.cpp. For it, I already coded it. Control C. And paste it here. But I need to change the project name because in here you can see my project is project 132. 132. Okay. Now there are no errors. You can use this every time you create my form because you don't need to code this again and again. You can paste it, and I will add this in the description box also. You can copy this code in the my format. Now you can see the picture box, USD, LKR and text boxes here and convert button. When I press the convert button, we need to see the user input USD convert to LKR. So double before double click it, you can see my form which here in the right hand side and right click on it. In here you can see the view code. View code is F7 view code. You can see the code here. This code is already created for my form which everything we insert here using toolbox. You can see my form which, and I double click on it convert button and it already add the code line for button 1. You can see here button 1. In here first I define strings. Define strings. String USD. For string I use USDS, string L LKRS for LKR string. Then I define integers. USDI used for integer USD and int LKRI for integer amount of LKR. Then USDS equals to this text box 1 text. So I get USD amounts from the text box 1. You can see in the design, this is the text box 1. User input USD amount in text box 1. In here, you can see get USDS from text box 1. USDI equals 32. In here, you can see the amount of USD in string convert into integers. USDI means integer amount USD. So you can see the string USD convert here to integers. Then we do the mathematical part. LKRI, it means amount of LKR in integers equals to USDI multiplied by 301. You can see because one LKR is 1 USD is equal to 301 LKR. So we multiply USD 1 into 301. Now LKR amount is in integers. We need to convert it to the strings. For LKRS equals to LKRI dot to string brackets. Now LKRs convert to strings. The integer LKR amount converts to string. The last part is this text box 2 text LKR is okay. Now our coding part is over. In the last part, we convert into LKR into strings. That converted string goes to text box 2. You can see in the design, text box 2 is this one in front of LKR. That converted LKR showing here. The simple process is when user input USD amount in text box 1, when the user click on convert button, it converts to LKR. So our code is over. Now let's test. To test it, local Windows debugger, click on it. Now you can see the application. I will insert USD1. Click, you can see clearly 301. It works perfectly. And USD 10, 3010. And finally, I will show you a small tip. Go to this PC, local disk C, and go to user and select your user login user. Go to source files, select repos, select the project you have done. Project 132 is the project I have done, and go to 64 file, debug, and here you can see application. Click on it, and you can see uh, the application I have created. Test this here also. 1 USD 301. Uh, Now you can see you can use this application without opening Visual Studio at all. Thank you very much for watching this video.